time we talked about the elephant in the room bed?
That one.
Yeah.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life.
We're assembling a dresser.
For who?
For me.
For you?
No.
This is your room?
Yeah.
Oh.
Figured I'm gonna spend so much time down here, it's basically my room.
Gonna be for Theo. He's getting big in there. Having fun yet? Found him sleeping. Stinker, he's supposed to be putting the dresser together and he's taking a nap. Ay, ay, ay. Matthew. So we got the dresser done.
I can't wait. I've waited too long.
He wants to put together our stroller. For some reason we're doing it on the carpet downstairs. I'm just so excited. This over here, by the way, is not staying in the nursery. We just kind of threw everything in here. Neither are those pink, I keep wanting to call those baskets. They're not baskets. What are those? Trunks.
Trunks.
Okay. Ooh. We were super excited about this stroller. Oh, yeah, because they're air-filled tires.
Yeah.
Oh, he looks super confused. What's up, Buttercup?
Look at that. Look how fancy that is. It's got the little nubs on the tires. Ugh, smells like rubber. He does something really good.
Really cool looking. Super excited.
Mr. Puppy Dog over here has no idea what's coming.
Your elbow's in his face. Oh, yeah, he has no idea. No idea. Some dogs have a clue, this one doesn't.
He might have, like, thought about it and then he was just like, no, that's just not an option. I'm an only child. I'm gonna keep it together, right, Jen?
Thank you for putting together the stroller.
Thank you for putting together the dresser.
Oh no, you did that. I just read you the instructions.
I know you will always be the